Hello everyone, and today we'll be learning about the parts of a plant cell. So here is a drawing of a plant cell right there, and over here we have a clay model of a plant cell that I made, and let's just get started. So this here is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, and it also stores DNA. Now here it is on the clay model. As you can see, it is pretty big. On the picture here, you can also see the nucleus. It's right there. It consists of the nuclear envelope, the nucleolus, and chromatin. Next up, we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It's right here. It's a bunch of little tubes. And if we just move this back a little, we can see it better. It's right there. And so the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it's found everywhere in the cell, but it does get denser near the nucleus. Now there's also another part to it, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is this kind of a skinny part there that's really squiggly. It's right there. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum's job is to make cellular products. So that's also a very important thing in the cell. Some of the things that the plant cells have, animal cells have some of these same things, but not all of them. For instance, animal cells do not have these. These are called chloroplasts. They're green. Now it's also chlorophyll. And the chloroplasts are exclusive to plant cells. They help them convert light into almost like food for the plant. And they're right there. And they help the plant to survive. And now this is the central vacuole, this big clear thing here. And it's right there. And the central vacuole stores wastes and materials. So think of it almost like a pantry and a trash can in one room. That's basically what it is. Here's the cytoskeleton. It's a little harder to see on the picture, so here it is. These little fibers there. And they're just these little fibers here. And they support the inside of the cell. Speaking of supporting, what supports the outside of the cell? The answer to that would be the cell wall. And it is shaped like this because this is actually the wall of the adjacent cell, meaning the cell next to it. So when they're in a plant, they're all bunched up together. Like there'd be another cell here, another cell here, 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 and here. The cell wall, it protects the outside of the cell. Now on the cell wall are these little holes, plasmodesmata. They help the cells to communicate with each other. They make the cell wall look a little bit like band-aids, but they're still very useful. Here they are on this one. Now these are peroxisomes. They convert fatty acids into sugars. Another zome would be the centrosome. And the centrosome is responsible for making microtubules. It's just this yellow dot right here. And they're also on the nucleus, these things called ribosomes. They make protein. It's a little hard to see here because apparently marker doesn't work very well on clay, but they're there. All over the nucleus. Also, here's the plasma membrane. This yellow part here that envelops the inside of the cell. It decides whether to let things in or not let them in or even let them out. So with all these things protecting it, the cell is a very well encased item. There's also the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus it sorts, processes, and bundles macromolecules. So it's very important. Even animal cells have this. Last but not least, we'll be going over the mitochondrion. This little thing right here. Let's bring it closer again. So it's that little orange squiggly right there. And it's right here over on the drawing. And it makes the energy currency for the cell. And that is the plant cell. So, hope you enjoyed and see you later.